The Lord has done it this very day. Let us rejoice today and be glad. Psalm 118 verses 24. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Now, let me show you the best roasted potatoes you could ever think of. This is the best roasted potatoes for this holiday season and beyond. It is easy to follow and just so quick and very delicious as well. Now, stay tuned and learn how to make this perfect one to impress your household and of course your guests as well. Let's get right into it. It's so good. So to begin with, let me take you through the ingredients. I have here my fresh potatoes and a little bit of herbs. I have some parsley, garlic, some salt, black pepper, dried basil leaves. I also have some olive oil and some sunflower oil. I will show you every detail about it, so do not worry at all. Right before we start, I want you to go ahead and put some water in your pot, add a little bit of salt and bring it to a boil. While that is being done, go ahead and peel the potatoes and just make sure everything is nice and clean and very fresh as you see on your screen. Okay? So now we're done peeling off the potatoes. You can definitely roast your potatoes whole like this, but it's certainly going to take a longer time. So I always love to cut them into smaller pieces like this. In my opinion, it looks even better this way. So go ahead and cut it into your preferred shapes. And now go ahead and wash it very well. Wash it until the water turns crystal clear. Yes, it's very, very important, okay? Just so that you get the most crispiest and very crunchy on the outside kind of potatoes, all right? Looks stunning. Now we're going to transfer each and every one to the boiling water, seasoning with salt. It needs to boil for about 3 to 4 minutes, okay? You do not want it to be extra soft. Just allow it to be very crunchy a little bit, and that is what we're looking for. Just 4 minutes will do. So now I'm going to smear some grease in my oven form. I chose vegetable oil because I want my potatoes to be extra crunchy. You may choose to use butter. And once I'm done, I'm going to put it in the oven. It's your oven at 170 degrees. Make sure it's nice and warm, including your oven form, because it's going to give that beautiful caramelized color to your potatoes, and I love the effect that it brings. It makes it very nice and crunchy on the outside. Okay, so while waiting, just put it in there for about 4 minutes ish. All right, so while waiting, I'll go ahead and finally chop my garlic and chop my parsley as well. All right. Also choose to grate your garlic. It will work very well. I'm going to put it in my olive oil and also chop my parsley very, very finely, as you see here. So now we're going to add our finely chopped parsley to our olive oil and garlic mixture here. You may also use the dry parsley if you don't have the fresh one. Okay, I'll add together my black pepper and my dried basil leaf, and of course seasoning it with a bit of salt. I'm going to mix it gently very nicely together, and that is going to be the awesome paste that is going to elevate the flavors of our potatoes. Okay, so for about 4 minutes of boiling, our potatoes is now ready to take them out. It is not very well cooked. It is somewhat crunchy, and that's exactly how we want it to be. Okay, so we're going to now transfer these potatoes onto our oven form, and just check the sound. It is amazing. Exactly, that is how I wanted it to be. It's kind of, preparing these potatoes to be crunchy on the outside, and it's amazing. You want to just follow the steps and you're going to make the best roasted potatoes. Now we're going to add our parsley, garlic, olive oil, basil leaf and salt mixture here. So you just want to be generous with this. Make sure you mix everything well together, massage it very, very well, and make sure each and every potatoes has a good amount of this amazing mixture of paste. Okay, so now let this bake for about 30 to 35 minutes at 170 degrees, and it'll come out so nice and crispy. You may want to also go in to be turning out these potatoes as well. It is absolutely great. Just look at the colors. It is nice golden brown and just so crispy on the outside and very moist and soft in the inside. That is how this Christmas baked potatoes or roasted potatoes should look like. It is absolutely gorgeous. There you have it, family. Just sprinkle a lot more of your parsley for garnish and serve it with any protein of choice. Today I went with some cozy salmon and mushroom sauce to pair this with, but you can go ahead and pair with some chicken or any protein that will come in mind. Okay, so there you have it. I really hope that you learned a thing or two. That is always my goal here. And also make sure you give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this recipe, and also share to a few friends and family. I know a lot of people are going to benefit from this. All right, thanks so much for watching, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed and happy holidays. Bye.